Okay, fifth graders, homework tonight is talking about square numbers, and we made some pictures of arrays with square numbers. A square number is a number that can be written as the product of a number multiplied by itself. For example, the square number of 9 can be written as 3 by 3, and you can see the 3 by 3 array just like we did in class. The one difference is 3 by 3 can also be written as 3 with a little 2 by it. That's called an exponent, and that exponent means squared. So 3 times 3, or 3 squared if you write it that way. 4 times 4 we know is 16. 7 times 7 equals 49, and we would read this, what equals 7 times 7? What times 6 equals 36, and if it's a square number, that one must be 6. 8 squared, that's the same now as 8 times 8, and that would equal 64. 5 squared, remember that's the same as 5 times 5, and that will equal 25. And 9 squared, what equals 9 squared? That's the same as 9 times 9, so this one would be 81. And then working down here, we're looking at an array model, and it looks like it is up 4, and it's across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's a 4 by 9 array, and we know 9 times 4 is 36. We'll do the same with this one. This one looks like a square though. This one was a rectangle. It looks to be, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. I'm guessing 5 across. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. Which of the arrays above shows a square number? Oh, I gave it away. The 5 by 5 array does. That shows a square array. Explain your answer, because, let's see, it's a square array. It's a square number because the array is a square. And because it follows this definition up here, that a square number is a number that can be written as the product of a number multiplied by itself. And let's see, it's a square number because the array is a square, and it is a number multiplied by itself. Alright, and then we're ready to fold it down. Pause, remember, pause the video if you need to, if you're writing a little slower than I am. We're going to fold it down so we have some workspace here. And now we've got 97 times 43, stack them up. Now we're not going to focus on the 4 right now, we're just going to focus on the ones place. 7 times 3 is 21, carry our 2. 9 times 3 is 27. Plus 2 is 29. We're finished with the 3, finished with the 2. We're looking at 4, which is in the tens place, so we need that 0 there. 4 times 7 is 28. We'll carry a 2 again. 9 times 4 is 36, plus another 2 is 38. Stack them up, make sure they're lined up. 1 plus 0 is 1. Remember, we're adding here. 8 plus 9 is 17. And I'm looking at 8 and 2 and thinking 10 plus 1 more makes it 11. Carry the 1. 3 and 1 is 4. Let's see if I did it right today. I did. 4,171. Next, we've got a subtraction. Make sure you're lining them up right and also writing them down correctly. Sometimes that's our mistake. We write them down wrong. 6 minus 5 is 1. We have to do a bit of regrouping here. We go way over to the 4. This becomes 10, which quickly turns to 9, so this can be 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3, and 3 minus 2 is 1. 1,331. And here we're adding. Again, stack them up. Make sure they're lined up correctly. 6 and 8, 14, carrier 1, 4, 5, 6. And then we've got 4 plus 3, 7, and 9, 9,764. I'm just going to scooch this down. And then we'll go with lining these up. 725 minus 414. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 7 minus 4 is 3. So 311 on that one. Alright. Sorry, I got a little off the screen on that one. Thanks for working with me today.